Hello everyone, this is Norman from Jinan DETEK machinery, and this is the workshop with a bending machine. 3-set auto with a bending machinery. The details of auto spacer bending machine, and this is the shelf. Two shelves, and here there are 4 stories for the aluminum spacer from 6 to 24. And you can change the spacer size from here with this button. It will move backward or forward, and then you change the spacer, and then just input the spacer inside manually here, and the aluminum spacer connect here. We also can add the spacer printing and also the label printing for the aluminum spacer frame. And this is the bending head with the clamper and the cutter there. And the operational control touching screen. This is movable. Inside of the auto spacer bending machine, inside a saw motor, a cutting motor, cylinder, in the electrical control cabinet, we are using the Siemens PLC and Fuji saw motor and saw controller, and also the Schneider breaker and contactor, and also the Taiwan Mingwei power supply. The solenoid to control the air pressure